Okay, let's get these bits of corrosion cleared up.
Past the point of no return, baby, on the summer night. The shot of love and the spark of love to be. Stars align and the month times night burn like a dried out leaf. I will leave it on the next string beat. I do believe. Come on, let's ride this train.
So it's now time to take the corrosion out of here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take the Range Rover chassis off of the trailer. I'm just going to have to remove a couple of bits and bobs first. Going to use the car ramp for this. Makes life a lot easier. The chassis is back attached to the bed. I'll just put something in there just to keep it all level. It can drop down, but it's easier to keep it level to get the legs under. So I've got a big block of wood I'm going to put in there. So that's what we're going to do now. So I'll get cracking. Just need to straighten these bits out before we start.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
And then we can grind the welds up.
How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these shit I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories memories after death, to be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said.
Well, that was harder than anticipated. When I did down this side, it went down there went really easy. The problem that we have is, although I've taken a weld off the back edge here, there are in fact still some welds on this side underneath, which is not going to let me lift the floor up completely as I wanted. I did want to put a big chisel in, lift it up and get the grinder in easier, but I can't weld it today because it's windy. But what I am going to do is do the same down this side where it needs it, and especially that piece there, I'll pick it back up when I've done that.